Hi everyone, it's Sarah here, one of the EPs at BJC Health. Happy December. We know this month can be really busy. We know Christmas is just coming up around the corner and it can be really challenging to fit in your regular exercise sessions. But we figured we've been developing little home programs for you every month, and so we wanted to keep it going for December. So this month it's on me. I've tried to make the session short, sharp, very punchy. The focus is on getting your heart rate up, getting you sweating, but also focusing on your stomach muscles. We get lots of tummy requests in January, so we thought we'd try and get in early, help you keep yourself moving, even though December's a very busy month. So enjoy!